So in this video I want to show you how to analyze the performance of this strategy if you would run it on an automated setting. This is a little bit different than other strategies because you cannot use this strategy analyzer because we are using the ATM strategy. As you know, you can modify your orders if you click it and drag it to another position. So this script has not hard coded orders because we are using this one, right? So you cannot use this here to analyze and analyze the performance of this strategy when running it on its own. However, I wouldn't recommend it to do it also because this strategy of the two-legged pullback is very depending on the trader, of course, how he or she is reading the market and the price action, of course. But I will show you how to use it in an automated way. So if we go here to the strategy and edit it to our chart, and I have some settings here as an example, as a stop loss, a big one, only to show you how it is working. We trade two-legged pullbacks and traps. Show the arrows, of course, keep all symbols, draw the legs, and the important part is that if you do the automated version, you can use the conservative mode, so that the strategy is looking for these settings here. As an example, please don't trade inside outside indecision bars or big and small bars. Respect the EMA as a resistance. Please do not be too far away from the EMA. Don't trade towards the EMA, so taking only long setups if we are above the EMA and only short setups when we are below the EMA. Then you have to click this one here because we are using the buttons, and will automatically cancel an order if this one of these conservative mode settings isn't met. And important one here, so you have to look this video, otherwise you don't know it. No reset to no trade after setup occurred. This is very important, so we do not have to click every time the buttons to take a trade, so it will stay in the long or short setup and to take trades in the direction without clicking every time the buttons again. So I will save this here as a template so I can use it one more time. So I would activate it here. This is for my long setup, and I would duplicate the chart and would add this strategy one more time here. Yes, edit, template, load, test, okay. But the settings we already saved in the previous one. Now click enable here. So we have two different charts. Now I would click here long. In the other chart I would click short. Now I would start the performance check. So we have this long clicked, the short clicked.
Filled. Order cancelled.
And as you see,
target filled.
I track everything
Order
here,
cancelled.
and which the system will take every trade that is a long or short, and with the corresponding conservative mode it will cancel an order if the conservative mode any rule is broken.
Order cancelled.
And so it would work. So you can
target
also
filled.
not show everything here, but this is only an example. However, you see there are some setups but not taken. I haven't shown here the messages with the broken rules, but you can display it also, of course. Okay, there's a long setup here.
Stop
Executed,
filled.
your stop was triggered, and so on and so on. You can use it in this way, and
target filled.
To analyze the performance in the end for a specific date range. So let's have a look. We have to go in the main window to new trade performance, and then you have to open the range you have analyzed. So it's this date here, only this date here, and generate. So when you see long trades and short trades with the corresponding trades that were taken. So we have 6 long trades, 1 short, and all trades in the sum is 5 winning and 2 losing, with the settings I put in. Yeah, so it's some trades, of course, here 71% winning, a percent profitable, and so on and so on. So you can use it in this way for a longer range of dates. If you don't know how to use the playback one, very cool thing, you can use the kinetic end of day of NinjaTrader. This is always available. You click it. Yeah, I can do it now. If I disconnect here, you can click kinetic end of day. It will automatically connect to this one, and then you go to tools, historical data, market replay, very important. Yeah, you want to market replay, go to load, and here you can get market replay data. So you add your instrument and the date you want to download the data, and click download. It's not available for today, of course. Oh, sorry, this is the wrong contract. Yeah, maybe go to some dates here and then download the data and so on. And if you then do it for some dates and download it, you see it takes some time because these are a lot of data in ticks. And so if you have done it, you can disconnect here and open the playback connection and use your dates you have downloaded, and do the same thing I have done with the trade performance found here. Yeah, and look what is happening, of course, and yeah, have some fun. Look what's going on, and maybe you find something that is working, and yeah, can trade then accordingly. So yeah, that's it for this video, for the automated version, and yeah, see you again.